Hello, hi everyone. So in this video we are going to create our core coin table, then create our transfer map, and then load our data into our staging table. Then we're gonna run our transfer map, put all the data into our core coin table, and finally deactivate the transfer map. Okay, so let's go to Studio, click on create application file, and then create a table. So I'm going to give a name here, core coin. Okay, so I'm not going to have any module, and I'm going to have few fields. The first field, let's say, is going to be ID. Second field is going to be slug. And I'm going to have coin. I'm going to have ID. I'm going to have symbol. And I'm going to have website URL. I think that's all I need. So they're all going to be string. Okay, and I'm gonna make one field here, the display value. I'm gonna put it to true here, and then what else I need to do? Nothing else. I'm gonna click on submit. Great, so I have my core coin table is created. So let's now create our transform map. So click on create application file, type transform here, and then you will see table transform map. Click on create. So this is going to be coin details transform map. Okay, the source table is going to be coin history. The target table is going to be core coin. Okay, and the order, I'm going to leave it to 100 and click on submit. So let's do some match all the fields. I'm going to click on auto map matching fields. So I have pretty much all of them, and I don't have here the coin field. That's because I have u underscore name as code in my data source. If I go back here, you can see that I have u underscore name for the coin. Okay, so I don't want to rename anything in my code. I'm going to leave it as it is. Instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on mapping assist and then look for name here and then map it to coin. Click on save, and I should have now that field here, u underscore name coin. And here I'm going to change the option here, coalesce. I'm going to set it to true. Okay, so why I am doing this, why I'm setting that coalesce to true, it's quite simple, because we are going to load our data from our coin history details data source. which is actually going to load around 11,000, more than 11,000 records. Okay, so I need to make sure I don't want all the records. I just need to have the coins, all my 8 coins. So I'm going to use this option here, coalesce. I'm going to set it to true here. So what it's going to do is going to say, hey, I have 1 record for Bitcoin, and these are the other details, and then it's going to have another record with the same name, and it's not going to create a new record. It's going to just update. Okay, and in our case we can let it update everything, because if you see the data source, what we are having as a result is only the symbol and ID, name, UUID, website URL. So it's going to be always the same information. Okay, so let's go and then load our data now. Okay, so I have the completion code here, success. So let's click on run transform. So I have the coin details transform map here. This is my input set. Click on transform, and it should process huge amount of record, but we should have only 8 inserts. Okay, so we have 4 inserts now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so transformation complete, completion code success. And let's go now to our core coin table. Click on show list. As you can see here, we have all our coins, all our 8 coins. Okay, we have the ID, slug, symbol, UUID, website URL. So now let's go to our transfer map, coin details transfer map. We don't need it anymore. Alright, so I'm going to just deactivate and then save it. Great. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.